Have you ever seen this in the market? It's small, its skin looks like the surface of an alien planet, and its aroma, wow, it goes straight to your memory. This is Kaffir lime. But today, we're not just going to look at the skin. It seems that the long string-like shape is the remaining pieces of microfibers that stick to the kitchen knife when cutting this orange. But today, we're not just going to look at the skin. We're going to journey inside this fruit, uncovering mysteries that even the mothers who buy it rarely notice. Look, this is the skin of the Kaffir lime flesh, which functions as a bag for the Kaffir lime juice. Well, in the first minute of the video, as soon as it is cut open, there is something strange, right? In the center of the thin flesh, there's a root-like structure, or rather an umbilical cord, stretching from end to end. What exactly is this? And why don't the regular oranges we eat have this as obvious? Look, those are the branch roots inside the Kaffir lime flesh. This green color is the cut side of the skin that is included when the Kaffir lime flesh is cut. The root structure in the center of the Kaffir lime flesh is the fruit's secret pathway while it's still hanging on the tree. It's a nutrient highway. It carries water and food from the mother tree directly to each cell of the fruit-to-be. The Kaffir lime retains this umbilical cord very clearly because its flesh is not designed to be the main star. The red one is from other cuts made by a kitchen knife when cutting the Kaffir lime. Which brings us to the second puzzle. Why is there so little Kaffir lime flesh, while the seeds are numerous and large? Look, these black seeds almost fill the entire space. Each of these seeds is a blueprint for life, a hormone factory that once drove the fruit to ripen, but nature designed the Kaffir lime with different priorities. Its energy is not in growing sweet flesh, but in creating its legendary aromatic power. That is the true mission of the Kaffir lime. That explains why the flesh is so thin. All resources are channeled into the skin and leaves to produce a highly concentrated essential oil. This is a clever evolutionary strategy. It doesn't need to attract animals with sweet flesh. Its strong aroma is enough to encourage humans to care for and spread it. There are still microfibers found from the cut that are stuck to the kitchen knife when cutting this Kaffir lime. So, if there's so little flesh, what's the point of eating it? What's the nutritional secret behind its small amount of acidic juice? Even though it's small, the juice and flesh contain the body's guardians, vitamin C and antioxidant compounds, the citrus family's secret weapon. But remember, the highest concentration is actually here, in the peel. That's where the aromatic and phytochemical arsenal is located. So, what are the benefits of this wavy little guy for us? This is the magic. He is a maestro of taste creation. The leaves and skin, with a slight touch, can turn an ordinary meal into an experience. Its aroma isn't just delicious. It evokes memories, refreshes the mind, and has natural antibacterial properties that protect food. For the body, every drop of its essence and fragrance is therapeutic. Its antioxidants are a shield, its aroma a soother for the soul. So, the next time you hold a Kaffir lime, look deeper. The root-like structure at its center is the trace of a lifeline. Its seeds are evidence of its will to survive. What's the secret spice in your kitchen that hasn't been revealed yet? Don't forget to subscribe, because our journey to uncover everyday secrets isn't over yet.